Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this exercise question from book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Gallian. Question is, let A and B belong to a group. If order of A and order of B are relatively prime, show that intersection of cyclic group generated by A with cyclic group generated by B is the singleton set containing identity element E of group G. We will start our proof. Let G is a group and A and B are elements of group G such that order of A is M and order of B is N with GCD of M and N equals to 1. That is, M and N are the numbers which are the order of elements A and B respectively such that these numbers are relatively prime numbers. Now as A and B are elements of group G, we have cyclic group generated by A will be a subgroup of group G. Similarly, cyclic group generated by B will be a subgroup of group G. Now as these are subgroups of group G, so their intersection will be again a subgroup of group G. Now since this intersection is a subgroup of group G, so clearly identity element E will be a member of this intersection. Now consider an element G which is the member of this subgroup, that is intersection of cyclic group generated by A with cyclic group generated by B. Now as G is in intersection, so G belongs to both of these cyclic subgroups. Now as G is a member of this cyclic subgroup generated by A, so G will be equals to A to the power k1 for some integer k1. Similarly, as G is member of this cyclic subgroup, so G will be equals to B to the power k2 for some integer k2. Now we will consider that order of G is say k. So we have G to the power k is equal to A to the power k1k, which is equal to identity element of group G. Also G to the power k will be equals to B to the power k2k, which is the identity element of group G. Now if we focus here, A to the power k1k is equal to identity element of group G, we get k, that is order of group G, divides order of the element A. Similarly, observing this, B to the power k2k is equal to identity, we get order of G divides order of the element B. That is, order of G divides M and order of G divides N. Therefore, order of G is the common divisor of the numbers M and N. But we know that GCD, that is the greatest common divisor of numbers M and N, is 1. So we have order of G is equal to 1. Now we know that in any group G, identity element is the only element whose order is 1. So this element G must be equal to the identity element of group G. Now we have considered that G is any arbitrary element of this intersection and G comes out to be the identity element of group G. So we can conclude that the subgroup, that is the intersection of cyclic group generated by A with cyclic group generated by B, will contain only the identity element of group G. So this intersection will be a singleton set containing the identity element of group G, and this completes our proof.